Hello, my dear. It's Grandma again. Today, or tonight, I'm going to continue to read the book I was reading yesterday. But first, I wanted to dedicate this video to all of those who are going to school or high school or university. I am so old. I have forgotten how it feels like. I just have some memories of my time, but I know that school can feel a lot sometimes. All those deadlines, exams, and pressure can make your head spin, can they? Um, but listen to me. You are doing better than you think. You are smart, capable, and so strong, even if it doesn't always feel that way. It's okay to feel anxious. That is also an emotion, but don't let it steal your joy. Take things one day at a time. You don't have to have everything figured out right now. It's perfectly fine to ask for help when you need it. I remember in my time, I was proud to ask for help, but later I saw that it's very important to do so. Remember that life, it's not a race. You are allowed to go at your own pace. Whenever you are ready, whenever it feels right, then you go. I wanted to say that I am so proud of you for how hard you are trying, and I know you will come out the other side for this even stronger. Just keep going, my love. Step by step, you will get there. I also wanted to say that I am reading your comments, and I had yesterday one comment, and that one comment made Grandma very, very happy. You don't have to thank me. I am thanking you. Remember that I am here for you. You can write wherever you want and under my comments. I will try to listen to you. And, well, Grandma has nothing else to do. So I'm happy for whoever reaches out. Mm, so, anyways, I just wanted to thank for all those who follow me and who uh, comment in my videos. So, okay, let's just start. Let me put my glasses on. Grandmother is mostly blind. Okay. The book is called Nature's Therapy: The Positive Impact of Nature on Mental Well-being and Balance. This love for the natural world is called biophilia. It's like an invisible bond that ties up to every leaf, rock, and bird out there. This bond has been with us from the beginning, and it's so strong that our bodies and minds still react to nature in amazing ways. For example, think about the last time you played outside. Maybe you were running in the grass, climbing a tree, or just sitting and watching the clouds roll by. How did it make you feel? More than likely, you felt happier and more alive. This isn't a coincidence. Being in nature can make us feel better in our hearts and minds. Scientists have found out that spending time in nature can even make us smarter and more creative. When we let ourselves get lost in the wonders of the natural world, our brains light up in the best ways. We can solve problems better, we can remember things more easily, and we can come up with new ideas like never before. Also, nature has a very special way of making us feel connected to something bigger than ourselves. When we watch a sunrise or listen to a stream bubbling over rocks, we are reminded that the world is full of beauty and mysteries waiting to be discovered. But there's also a simpler side to this. Have you ever cared for a plant or a pet? If you have, you know it feels good to take care of another living thing. It makes us feel important and remind us that we are part of a bigger circle of life. Even the friendships we build when we play sports in the park or go on a hike with our family are a part of biophilia. When we share nature with others, we create memories and bond that can last a lifetime. It's amazing to think that every step we take outside, every breath of fresh air we take, connects us to the earth in a way that's been with us for thousands of years. It's something that's inside all of us, waiting to be explored. Whether it's the feeling of the sun warming our skin, or the thrill of seeing a wild animal, nature has countless gifts to offer. As we grow up, we learn more about the world. This hidden bond with nature can help guide us, teach us, and make us whole. So next time you're outside, take a moment to look around and remember that the earth is not just the place we live. It's a part of who we are. I'm going to end the book here. It's actually a really good book, and the more I read, the more Grandma thinks that's true. It brings back some memories, some happy memories of friendship and childhood and families and the things we played, the things we enjoyed together. So go outside, play with friends, with your families, be happier, and Grandma will always be here. Good night, my sweet one.